I have today filed a complaint to the Director of Municipal Administration because I have seen that the present council has we use some new trick. What they have done is they have begun occupying the place which was actually meant for sitting of public. See, whenever we used to go earlier, 100 of us used to sit comfortably. The rest used to stand. This entire area is now occupied by the council, 25 councillors, though there is sufficient place for them to sit where they were originally sitting. So it is a new tactic by this new council basically to see that citizens like me who want to go there and witness don't have a place to sit, or there is no provision made for us to witness the meetings. So I have filed a complaint to the DMA. I have urged the DMA to see that the chief officer and the chairperson is immediately forthwith is directed to see that we have sitting arrangement is made for the public, because we are interested in seeing that the council functions properly. Now this, we had elected new faces thinking that there will be some freshness in the council, but this freshness does not appear to have come. Now the chairperson, sometime back I read in the newspapers that Mr. Rajan Talak wanted to start a cleanliness drive in Margao of his own. Now I feel every citizen who is patriotic and has a love for his country should be able to freely do it. It should be his fundamental right to clean his own city. But there is an objection raised by the chairperson. Now you can understand from this council is not going in the right direction. It appears to me that even the prior council was better than this council, because we used to be able to participate, at least we were heard, we would manage to change certain things. But this council, they are posing restriction, not allowing citizens to participate. This is very bad.